In this video, I'll show you how to fix shiny skin in Affinity Photo. Let's get started. If you'd like to follow along with me, I've left a download link to the image that I'll be using in the video description. Fixing shiny skin is actually easier than you might think. We can fix it with just one adjustment layer. So let's go to our adjustments, and then apply the selective color adjustment. From here, we only want to affect these bright hotspots on her skin. So I'm going to change the color channel to white. This will only affect the parts of the photo that are white. Also, let's turn off the relative option. With this setting off, it will just make our changes from this adjustment stronger, which we'll need to fix these highlights. Okay, with that all set up, let's move the sliders. The first step to this technique is raising the black slider. So go ahead and raise the slider until you can see that your white spots are virtually gone. They might start to look a little bit gray like this, and that's okay. We're going to fix this in the next step. Once your hotspots are dulled down like this, the next step is to add color back into these areas using the other sliders. All skin is made of red and yellow, so let's start there. To add yellow, we can just raise the yellow slider. Then to add red, we actually need to bring the cyan slider down since cyan and red are opposites. So I'll lower this down. This already looks really good, and just to finish, I'm going to add a little bit of magenta to add a little bit more warmth into her skin. Now that these hotspots look nice and even against her skin, I like to finish this step by lowering the black slider a little. This will bring back some of the highlights. We don't want to fully eliminate the highlights in her skin. Okay, to finish this video, we just need to double check that this is only affecting the blown out highlights. If I turn this layer off and back on, you can see that her skin looks so much less shiny, which is great, but there is a little bit of a problem. The whites of her eyes and the shine on her lip have both changed into this beige color. That's an easy fix. I'm just going to grab our paintbrush. I'll make sure I'm painting with 0% hardness and a low flow. Then I'll just zoom in and paint in black paint over those areas to remove that color. This can also be a problem if your subject is smiling. Their teeth might turn a little bit beige. So this is an important step. Just double check your picture looks good, that all of the white parts that are supposed to be white still look white. Okay, with that fixed, now we can see the before and after of fixing the shiny skin in this picture. Great job! Now you know the perfect technique to fix shiny skin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Affinity Revolution tutorial.